Hello and welcome to the BRM free setup video. In a minute we're going to show you how to get set up. First of all, we just want to remind you why you're doing this. So you're going to have this online booking experience here which your customers can use. They can see your products, they can go ahead and choose which products they want for which date range they want. Let's go ahead and do that. You see I've got two different products on here, different prices. They can go and add them to the cart, they can add in any notes that they want to do, and they can check out by filling in their customer name and make a reservation. The cool part is it comes into the back office, which you'll get access to the back office here, and you will be able to see your bookings here. There's the booking I just made. Test booking comes in as a booking request. So before we do that, I'm going to now talk you through how to add your inventory so that you can go ahead and take online bookings. Okay, so now I'm going to take you through the actual setup process itself. So you can see here we're in the setup phase and we've got 4 tasks to do. So let's start with the first one, adding bikes. So it says, okay, click to add some bikes, quick add. So add my first category, and what this does is it lets you add all of the different elements that are needed. Category, the products, the size. It gives it a price group automatically, but you can choose a different one if you want. And maybe I've got 3 of them. Go ahead and click add. What it does, it creates the category, and then underneath that it creates the different product lines according to the size that I've told. So now I have some bikes. Okay, so let's go up to setup, and it recognizes that I've created my first set of bikes and my first price group, so that's ticked those boxes. Let's go in here though and actually add some prices as well. So my 2-hour price is going to be $10. In fact, my 3-hour price and my 4-hour price, that's all $10. Then I go up to $15 for the day, 25 for 2 days, 30 for 3 days. So you get the general idea. You can add price groups, price points according to the pricing that you recognize in your store, and you can add or remove the different price points, and you can also add different price groups as well as you add more bikes. Let's go back to the story. So we're just making sure all of these boxes are ticked. Going to go to the settings one. It needs us to add our address. Okay, so this is where you're going to put in your street, what city you're in, what state you're in, and your postcode or zip code. Go ahead and save that off. So how are we doing? We've now done 3 out of 4, check the last one, set my hours. Okay, so I'm going to be open 9 until 6. So I'll put that in there. You can do military time or normal time like 5 p.m. And then I can do set base times, and that sets it for every day of the week. And you know what? I'm going to say I'm closed on Sunday and hit save. Let's see how we're doing. Right, we are now all set up. So any of these tasks you can go back in, modify them, you can add more bikes, etc. as you go along, but the main thing is we now have a viable store with all of these core settings now set.